wonderful the mind of a child is.
Allison, can you explain what internet is?
I still love technology.
And we are calling it iPhone.
Hey guys, Mr. Ogden here. Today we're going to use WeVideo to create a video. Basically, you're going to use an editing program to create a video. So make sure you click on View Assignment, Instructions. Okay, now remember, I'm making the tutorial video right now, so it's not on there, but the first thing you're going to do is watch this tutorial video that I'm creating. So the video will be down here on the assignment. So go ahead and watch this video first. This video will be a little bit longer because I have to cover a lot of things, so feel free to pause it at any time and go ahead and make your WeVideo account and then start practicing some of these things as I talk about them. Okay, you can always come back and watch the video and rewind and pause as you need. So start by going to wevideo.com, which is this link right here. When you get to the website, you're going to click the G. So new to WeVideo, sign up with G, which is your Google account. So when you click on the G, your Google account will pop up. So go ahead and click on yours. I have other ones. Do your password. Okay, and then you can log in. What you're going to do is press Create New. And then it'll look like this. Go ahead and click Try Again. Try it again. Okay, so basically here's a basic video editing program. And what you're going to be doing is creating a video with these requirements. So first things first, 5 transitions, we'll talk about what those are. And this is important. No one video clip can last more than 15 seconds. So you must trim it down and use other video clips. You can't just use one long video clip for your video. Because remember, it needs to be 2 minutes and a school appropriate video. You must change the theme. There must be text at the beginning, music, sound effects, graphics. Thanks for watching at the end. One clip must be animated, and you need one clip with a caption. So first things first, what is your video going to be about? Anything you want, as long as it's school appropriate. So let's go ahead and go back to WeVideo. So if I go right here on the star, this is where I search for clips. So I can search anything I want. Okay, again, as long as it's school appropriate, I can find clips about dogs. And you notice these are all clips about dogs. And it says this one's 8 seconds. Let's say I want this one. If I want to watch it, I can just double click and it'll play over here on the right. Okay, so that clip is going to last 8 seconds. Let's say I want to use that clip. So I drag it down here to the video timeline, the video 1. So I have video here, and then there's video here. If I press spacebar, my video plays. Spacebar, it stops. I can click and drag and bring it to the beginning. Or I can also press play right here and press pause. If I want to go to the beginning, I can go here. If I want to go to the end, go there. Pretty simple. Okay, so we need to add a title. So you can look for clips in here. There's lots of things you can look for. Again, as long as it's school appropriate and as long as the clip is no longer than 15 seconds each, okay, then you're going to string together a bunch of clips to make a school appropriate video. So let's say I'm going to make my video about dogs. What I want to do is add in a title. Okay, and on the title, it said I need to have a text at the beginning with the title. So let's go to these titles, and I can look through these. I can click on other ones, different seasonal ones. You can look through here. There's a bunch of them. I'm just going to stick with a basic one and drag it in and drop it in the front. So right in there and drop. Let's try that again. Drag it in and drop. So now how it says a yellow box and it says insert and push, that'll insert in front of the clip and it'll push the other clip forward. So insert and push, now you press spacebar, and there is your text. So to change that text, you just double click on the clip, and this box comes up. Primary text, dogs. Secondary text, I love dogs. You can change the font, the size, all kinds of things. When you're done, press done editing. Now we go back, press spacebar. Dogs, I love dogs, so cute. Okay, so this video will be about dogs. So if I go back to my clips, I search dogs again, I can look through these clips and find what dogs that I want. Okay, so for example, if I found a long clip, see this clip is 19 seconds long. So if I put my mouse over there, there's 19 seconds. Again, 15 seconds or 15 seconds or less on your clips. So if it's 9 seconds, 12 seconds, 3 seconds, that's fine as long as it's not doesn't go longer than 15 seconds. The trick is to find multiple clips. So I need to shrink this down. To do that, I just click on it and I can drag. See how when I drag and I move this clip left and right, you see how the time code shows up right there below my mouse, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, okay, 19, too long. Shrink it down, okay, right there. And now we can go back to the beginning, press spacebar, and play our clip. Okay, so that's the title, and that's also how you add clips. The next thing is you need to change the theme. So let's go to the theme. All you do is come up here to the top, themes, and you can change the theme. So let's do bold and distinct. So if you notice when you choose a theme, it has transitions for you and it has music for you. And which is good because you also need audio or music in your video, which is right there, and you also need transitions, 5 transitions right there. So for your transitions, what you need to do is you go over here to this button right here, transitions, and there's all kinds of fun ones. So if you want this one, you can just drag it in between 2 clips, and there you go. Now there's your transition. Now watch when I play the clip from here to there. It does a cool little transition. Okay, if you don't want that clip, you can just right click on it and press delete, and now we can try a different one. Drag them in between the clips, let go. Now it'll be a different transition. So you don't have to have a transition between every single clip, but you need at least 5 of them. You can definitely have more. So for music, let's say I don't really like the music that theme chose. You come up here to the music, and you can search free music. There's different kinds of music in there. There's different sound effects. But for free music, I'm just going to look through these. I kind of like that one. So let's say I like that one. I drag it down here to my audio. And I don't want this one anymore, so I can just click on it and press delete. Now when I play my video, it's the new music. That sounds pretty good. I like it. So again, transitions are between the 2 clips. Okay, so now the next thing I need to do is I've got music in there, 2 graphics. So if you come over here to graphics, which is this one, okay, there's some really cool solids and backgrounds and different things. I need to do at least 2 of these. There's some really cool ones. So I can go like this, and what I can do is just drag it down here. So there's video 1, video 2. I can drag it on top of the clip. There we go. Notice a dog cut off, so I know I'd have to go back, double click, and change the font size to make it smaller. Okay, and now a video clip needs to be animated. So how do you animate a clip? Well, just like this, double click on it, and you come over here to the animation button. So let's say start. Where do I want my clip to start? What I can do is I can go scale and move it down. And then I want it to start like that, and then on the end of my clip, I want it to be like that. So if I click done, so it'll start small and then get big. So I just animated my clip. I can also change that, double click, and I can go start there, and I can click over here and move it. And I want it to end over there. So this is where I want it to start, this is where I want it to end. So it'll go from the left to the right. And now my clip is moving. Okay, so I covered transitions. No one clip more than 15 seconds. Change the theme, text at the beginning. Must have music. Don't worry about sound effects. 2 graphics. Thanks for watching at the end. 1 clip must be animated. At least 1 clip needs a caption. You can do more of these if you'd like, but those are the basics of your video. Your length needs to be 2 minutes. It needs to be something school appropriate. And feel free to play around with the other options in here. For example, there's color correcting. There's keying, speed. You can do like slow motion if you want. Okay, there's all kinds of stuff you can do. You can rotate clips, flip clips around, have fun, and play around. Let me know if you have any questions.